Members of Apunba Malom Mairapaibi Lupt yesterday staged a seated protest demanding to trace the whereabouts of the two missing teens Maibam Avinash and Ningthaujam Anthony at the earliest. Participants of the sit-in protest expressed that not only the recent incident of missing of Avinash and Anthony, but several other sons of the soils have gone missing with no traces of them, and stressed that the Apunba Malom Mairapaibi Lupt is prepared to take up stern agitations with support of the public against the concerned authority if they fail to fulfill the demands of the people.
Manipur state government na si power the bank ba angangan Antonia ba di Avinash ki lang di puthok pi ba loina na mamang de kaya hau khaba si khaba loi khaba kaya gi pusi gi become na khaba kaya gi lang di puthok pi da na lai ko ngau da na lai ba matam asida asigumba thokdong kaya asida gi Mairapaibi apun ba all Manipur gi Mairapaibi khuding mangna koi chauna ga loina na ngasi dai thongdang junction ba hawragani left junction ba hawragani hai ba se Mairapaibi apun ba ko wasam